Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. And in this video, we're going to be discussing the changes made to the Media Engine library and presenting its final release. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I've been developing the Media Engine library over the last couple of days, and it's been a pretty fun adventure. So just to reiterate, the Media Engine library allows any program that wants to use the Media Engine in order to basically enable the functionality of the PSP's second CPU. So the Media Engine library basically offers a job manager and job system, which allows you to pass tasks either to the main CPU or to the Media Engine itself. The way it does this is through a jobs sort of system, which allows you to go ahead and define a job, give it some of the basic informations like an ID and how it's going to execute, which is either the CPU, the ME, or default. Default allows you to enable dynamic rebalancing, which will help you even out the load between your CPU and the Media Engine. This way you can get the most performance out of your PSP. Furthermore, the job structure has a function, so you're going to be able to go ahead and pass a reference to an integer function, taking in a job data structure. Job data structure is literally just an integer address to a pointer. So you go ahead and just dereference that pointer into whatever, and then you take that pointer and change the data of it as you need. This allows you to run any sort of arbitrary code and report the results back onto the main memory, which is the main way that we're basically interfacing with things, is just through main memory. So once you have a job, you create an instance of this job, whether it be using the new command in C++, or if you want to be using malloc in C. This memory is automatically freed after the program has finished executing said job. So what you do is that once you've created this instance, you basically pass it into the job manager by j_@job, and once you've done that, it's pretty much in the system, and the next call you need is jdispatch_jobs. Jdispatch_jobs takes the entire queue and then basically does every single one in order. I was going to do priority queuing, but priority queuing doesn't really have much use, and I don't really find any way to make it any sort of better. So basically, to initialize it, you just gotta do j_init and pass in whether or not you want there to be dynamic rebalancing, and it's gonna go ahead and offer that. So in the jdispatch_jobs method, if you're using the dynamic rebalancing system, you're going to have to put in the delta time that has run from the last job dispatching, which allows you to know how much time it really has left, and is going to try to even out the load. Furthermore, once you end execution, you want to start doing j_cleanup, which goes ahead and kills the ME. It basically unloads the module, and it basically clears the queue of all of the jobs that you have queued. In terms of adding it, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is put it into your already existing library and include structures, and once you've done that, you're just gonna link with -lme, which can be uppercase, lowercase, no matter what. And you're also going to have to take the Media Engine PRX from the bin folder and add that to be right beside your eBoot. Once you've done that, it's pretty much smooth sailing right from there, and you can go ahead and start using the Media Engine in your applications. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.